Hello guys, in this video we will be unboxing this Logitech multi-device K480 Bluetooth keyboard. I have unboxed this earlier and I decided to give a review in this. I am using this since last 1 month. It came from Amazon in around 7 to 8 October. So just take a look at this box first and we will be unbox this. You can see that this is Bluetooth keyboard. Windows, it supports Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, iOS. You can see here switch typing between a computer, phone and tablet. Multi-device, you can see here the barcode. Okay, you can see here the name of address of the importer. Manufactured by Logitech Asia, Hong Kong. Package contains keyboard. MRP is rupees 3295, and let me tell you, you can get this from Amazon from around 2500 to 2600. I have got this unit around 2595 Indian rupees. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of this. Anything. Okay, so we will cut this aside, cut this tape. Okay, so this will be the keyboard. This is the first look of the keyboard. We will take this keyboard out. This is the manual, thin manual. This is like a pizza box, nothing inside. We will put this aside. You can see that it has no seal here. We will unwrap this and take this keyboard outside. So this is a clean layout of the box. This is a switching regulator. Looking to the back, this is the switch where you can on and off. This is a LED here, green LED, which indicates the power on. This is the battery compartment. Let me show you. It uses AAA type battery. 2 batteries here are included in this keyboard. We will put this and just let me on this first, and you can see that this is blinking. Once this light goes up, you can, okay, it is ready to pair. We can see here this is a Bluetooth function. It is for PC. The PC, here is one light, and this I is for iOS and Mac OS. This is, here is one light, blue light. If you switch this light will turn on, and you can pair this to Android devices, Chrome OS, Windows. Okay, and if you press this I button, you can pair this with iPad, iPhone, Mac OS, and this will be a switching regulator. You can see you can use various devices at a time. So let me first put this in position 1, and I will be show you using an Android device. So we will first press this button. Okay, now let's just see, does it catches the Bluetooth or not on. Search for the device. Let me just dim this. Okay, you can see. Wait, I will show you. It is not pairing. Now let's just take a look and pay a new device. Available devices. I think this phone's Bluetooth is lagging somewhere. Okay, I will show you by uh, pairing this iPad. So you just have to press this I button again. You can see here. Okay, so this will be Bluetooth. Just off and on this to refresh. Keyboard, you can see that keyboard K480. Just press this and it will connect. Connection unsuccessful. We will try again this. I don't know. Okay, so finally it is connected, and you can, it has a silicone base here. Just hold this iPad perfectly, and we just wait. I am just adjusting the lens so that you can see this properly. So here is the home button. You can press this home button, and there is a screenshot button. You can screenshot using this, and let me just open this notepad, and I will type something, and you can see that it types perfectly. One thing which I need to say that response time is good, but if the key travel would be a little bit more, then it will be more comfortable for us. And see, this iPad is connected to position 2, and you can see that it is working. And if we uh, put this regulator in mode 3, it is now not working, and it shows that it will connected to a PC. So I think this is would be a great deal. You can use this with a PC also. You can use with this kind of iPad also. You see that it is not falling, but I will advise that to keep a safe margin, and always use the iPad holding in this clamp in the somewhere where it doesn't fall. And you can see it is like a laptop. It is not falling. So, and you can see that when you can see that home button is not working, and as I put this in iOS mode, it will again starts working instantly. So this is a quite a good deal. You can just grab it from Amazon. So this will be for today's video. I hope you like it, and thank you. Have a nice day.